Ever spilled coffee in your Tesla Model 3 and watched it creep toward the pedals in slow motion? Yeah, not a great moment. But today, we've got your solution. In this video, we're diving into the best floor mats for the Tesla Model 3, from luxury to rugged, budget to premium, so you never have to stress about muddy shoes, pet hair, or melted snow again. Whether you're a minimalist or a parent on the go, we've got something for you. All the links are in the description below, so let's get into it. On number 8, PawteIin 2025 New Version Floor Mat Kit. The PawteIin 2025 New Version Floor Mat Kit is your go-to if you want full vehicle protection without breaking the bank. Covering everything from the footwells to the trunk, frunk, and sub-trunk, this 6-piece TPE set is an all-weather powerhouse. It's rigid yet flexible, super easy to clean, and hugs every contour of the 2025 Model 3 Highland like it was custom-made. Because it is. Compared to the sleeker look of 3D Max Spider, this one's more industrial and rugged, but its performance makes up for it. The deep dish design effectively contains spills, while the non-slip bottom keeps them securely in place. You won't get a plush feel here, but you will get bulletproof containment and unbeatable value. What do you think? Is function more important than form? Let us know in the comments. On number 7, Spurtar Honeycomb Floor Mats. If you're on a budget and just want to protect the high-traffic footwells, Spurtar's 3-piece honeycomb floor mats might be your match. Designed for Tesla Model 3S from 2017 to 2025, the standout feature here is the honeycomb pattern that traps dirt, mud, and water with surprising efficiency. They're thick, durable, and super grippy. But cleaning them, a bit more effort than smooth mats. Unlike the full-coverage PawteIin, Spurtar skips the trunk areas, making it a better fit for drivers who only need the essentials. These mats are a solid, no-nonsense choice for daily drivers who prioritize function over full-car protection, and don't mind the extra effort to clean out the deep cells. On number 6, Weize Floor Mats. Weize floor mats for the 2024-2025 Model 3 Highland strike a great balance between price and full car protection. This set covers everything: front, rear, frunk, trunk, all with thick, durable, waterproof TPE. The high basin-style edges are great at keeping gunk contained, and the fit is laser-precise. The mats are also made from non-toxic, odorless materials, so there's no unpleasant new car plastic smell. Compared to higher-end options like WeatherTech, the Weize mats hold their own with solid durability and easy cleaning, but at a way friendlier price. They may not win points for visual flair, but if protection is your priority, these are seriously hard to beat. On number 5, Superliner 8-piece set. Though stepping it up, Superliner's 8-piece set goes above and beyond. Literally. Besides the usual floor and cargo mats, it includes a full backseat protector. Pet owners or rideshare drivers, this one's for you. The rugged TPE material is waterproof and odorless, and while the extra rear seat cover takes a bit more time to install, it's worth it for full coverage. The raised ridges and channels are great at trapping spills, keeping your entire interior pristine. Compared to Weize's or PawteIin, Superliner is like getting the deluxe suite. More coverage, more value. If you want it all in one box, this is it. On number 4, Runine TPE Floor Mat Set. The Runine 6-piece TPE Floor Mat Set gives you complete floor and cargo coverage without the bells and whistles. Designed for the 2024-2025 Tesla Model 3, it fits like a glove and features a deep, high-walled edge to catch all the mess. Performance-wise, it's nearly identical to Superliner, minus the backseat protector. And for many owners, that's all you really need. These mats offer excellent value by focusing on the core areas, providing the same heavy-duty protection without the extra cost of a seat cover. Rugged, affordable, and no-nonsense, Runine is the practical pick for Tesla drivers who want the right amount of protection at the right price. On number 3, OEDRO Floor Mat Set. Looking for something more aggressive looking? OEDRO's Floor Mat Set brings a rugged vibe with its textured TPE surface that actually helps with traction under wet shoes. It includes full cabin and cargo coverage, and the material is thick, durable, and feels ready for off-road dirt or city slush. The mats have a 3-layer design with a waterproof top layer and an anti-slip bottom to keep everything locked in place. Compared to the smoother Runine mats, OEDRO edges ahead in grip and style, but offers the same level of practical coverage. If you prefer tactical aesthetics over minimalism, OEDRO is calling your name. On number 2, Nexrida Carpeted Floor Mats. And here's a wild card. Nexrida's Carpeted Floor Mats. Wait. Carpet? Yep. These hybrid mats offer a plush, luxury feel on top with a waterproof anti-slip bottom. It's a cozy, sound-dampening upscale vibe. Perfect if you're not a fan of plastic-looking mats. But they only cover the footwells and are tougher to clean than rubber or TPE options. That said, they're unmatched in comfort and aesthetic appeal. The soft, elegant feel underfoot makes them feel less like a utility item and more like a true interior upgrade. Compared to rugged options like OEDRO, this is more for the driver who values ambience over all-out protection. What do you prefer, comfort or containment? On number 1, TAPTES Premium TPE Floor Mats. Topping our list is TAPTES Premium TPE Floor Mats, compatible with all Model 3S from 2017 to 2025. They offer the best blend of premium looks and functional protection. The refined texture is more OEM-like, making it perfect if you want your mats to look like they came with the car. They're easy to clean, fit flawlessly, and hold their shape without the heavy industrial vibe of most TPE mats. The laser-measured fit is impeccable, hugging every curve and ensuring zero movement. While they don't cover the cargo areas and cost a bit more, their upscale aesthetic makes them an easy pick for Model 3 owners who want something durable and elegant. Which do you think? Which one would you put in your Tesla? Tell us in the comments. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more Tesla gear breakdowns, and share it with a fellow Tesla owner. All the links are in the description below. Check them out and upgrade your ride the smart way. Thanks for watching.